Now let's go into the area whereby we just want to be drawing shapes in Microsoft Word. The first thing you have to bear in mind is that you have to just know, because first of all, let me just explain all this thing for you. These are the file menu. All these things represent file menu, and all when you click each one of them, they have a sub menu of which they represent for. You click on insert. These are the sub menu, the icon under this insert button. On this one, the design. These are the things that you find under the design until you get to the last one, which is the view. So now let's go to that insert. That's why you can just get the icon that you can use to just draw the shape. I click on the shape. It gives me some dialog box that contain different kind of shape that I can select. So you look at what you just want to build. What for, you have to know what you want to build. So in Microsoft Word, it allows you to just do this shape. You can group 2, 3, 4 together. You're about to make one shape. Let me draw a cup. I would like to draw a cup using some of the picture in this shape. Let me click on this one. When you click on it, the mouse will change to a plus, telling you that it has picked it. Once the mouse has picked it, it change to a plus. Then you click on it in the blank space, draw it down without even leaving your mouse until you get to a satisfactory of how you want it to be big. So I want it to be just a plain, so I have to click on this one to make it plain so that it not be colored in the blue. So I go to that shape again, take another one that I can use as an handle. I search for it, search for correct one that is okay. I can match it, and I pick this one, draw it there. Once I did that one, I select to be plain. So now I want to just change the direction of this one to just so that it will be able to join. When you pick your mouse to this arrow, this circumference arrow, you discover that your arrow also just show the sign of that circumference. So that's the time you use to be able to just change the direction of that the shape. You can rotate in a circumference. Look at how I rotate it. So rotate it to just face the place, the direction of what you want to use it. After when you get there, you drop it, you leave it. Now click on top of it to move it near and join the other shape to become one. Here is it. When you click any outside, if it is not touched, you can still move it a little bit to touch each other. Then it has touched. Now you cannot leave this shape like this. All you have to do is to just make sure that you join them together. You group it. There's a way you can use to group this kind of shape and make them to become one, so that it will be useful. When you are moving one, the two will be moving together. It will not be only one that will be moving, and they will not be separate. What you have to do is to just go to the select. You see the select under the home. Click under the arrow, drop down arrow. It will give you some sub menu. One of it is select all. The other one is select object. Select all text with similar formatting, no data. They have different options. So you click select object. Take your mouse to the blank space, highlight it. Make sure that your highlighting of that the shape cover all those things you have just dropped together. After highlighting everything, take your mouse to one of the shape. When the mouse change sign, then you can now right click. When you right click, move to that, it will give you some menu that contain different things that maybe you want to use for. Take it to the group, then you click on group. When you group, you discover that those the two have matched together. So if you move one, two of the things will move together. If it is 4, 5, 6 or more that you join together and you highlight it and do it in this format, you discover that the thing will just move and become one. And that's how this is being done. You can also reduce the font, the size of it, if at all it's too big, by taking your mouse to the angle and make sure that you just draw it to that the exact thing you want it to be, and you leave it after you have reduced it.